Ever wondered how to get a stylish braids on a tight budget? I did it with just a wool extension I got from Temu for just 5.77p. So I'm going to be sharing the entire process from purchasing the extension to the final braids, including tips and tricks to help you achieve this kind of braids. This is the wool extension I got from Temu, yes, for just 5.77p, and this was me just prepping the wool extension a day before I was going to make it. It came in a pack like the picture that was displayed earlier. It was a total of 8 wool inside, and honestly I was surprised by the quality for the price. I already treated, washed and moisturized my hair a day before I was going to make it. You can check out my 2 ingredients DIY video treatment linked below. I'll be using shine and jam to slick down my parts and also to get that super clean look. A quick tip: try sectioning your extension before starting to help fasten the braiding process. So for my braids, I'll be making normal braids, so I'll be using 5 strands each on each section. Parted my hair into medium section depending on the look you want to create, but for me I'll be making normal braids, so I applied a little bit of shine and jam to each section to help braiding grip and to also make my braids smooth. Now I'm just trying to section the center part of my hair, so I'm already in the front section already. So this is me just trying to achieve both ends to make sure that they are evenly partitioned. I actually have a mirror in front of me that is helping me to see the lines. I also make use of my tactile sensation to touch and feel the lines and also the size of the hair while sectioning out the hair. Another tip: you can also use shine and jam on your fingertips while braiding or while parting your hair, as it keeps everything neat, especially if you're a natural hair girly and if you have a frizzy or a thick hair like mine. I really struggled to have a grip of this front, so I kept on losing and remaking, but finally I got it. So enjoy. I braided all the way down, keeping the tension consistent but not too tight. One thing I love about wool is how gentle it feels, but it gives that full textured look. If you are loving this look or want to try wool braids yourself, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY content. And also, if you want me to make a well-detailed video on how I achieved this look, drop a comment down below also, and I will make a well-detailed video on everything you need to know and how to go about it. And this is the final look: clean parts, soft textured braids, all done on a budget with just shikini money.